Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our video was about time, speed, distance part 2 video, guys. So in this chapter, that is time, speed, distance, there are many sub chapters are there, like boats and streams and trains problems, and also distances between the two persons or else two cars or two vehicles by using the given time. So these are the some of these sub chapters in this time, speed, distance, guys. So today we will discuss part 2 video as trains problems and part 3 video as boats and streams. So today I will try to cover train problems, guys. So these are very important in our both prelims and mains examinations. So let's start our questions in trains and problems. So from 62 onwards, trains problems will start in Quantum Cat by Sarvesh Sharma's book, guys. So this is what is the time required by the train of length 350 meters to cross the electric pole with a speed of 70 meters. So here given train length is 350 meters and speed is 70 meter per second, guys. So here to cross the electric pole, because the distance or the length of the electric pole is negligible, guys, because so in these trains and waves problems, especially electric pole and some other objects, so these of the lengths are negligible. That's why we don't calculate the length of this electric pole. That's why we will get time. So we will find time is 350 by 70. So 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds is the answer of this question. And next question, a train 270 meters. So next question, length of the train is 270 and over the bridge of length, given bridge of length is 130 and the speed of train is 40 meter per second. By using these values, we will find out the time taken by the train to cross the bridge. It means L plus length of the bridge by speed of the train. It means 270 plus 130, 400 by 40. So 10. So 10 seconds is the answer. Okay, next we go to the next question. That is third question. If a train of length, so train of length is 225 meters long and a telegraphic pole in 9 seconds. Before I'm already told you guys, here telegraphic pole of length is negligible, that's why we don't take any value, is 9 seconds. It means time is 9 seconds. Then we will find out the if this train crosses a tunnel of length 450 meters. Tunnel of length 450 meters. Okay, next we will find out the speed equal to length plus tunnel of length by time. It means 225 by 450. It means already by using this length and time we will get the speed, guys. That is 225 by 9. It means 25 meter per second is the train of length. So here 675 by 25. So 5, 13, 5. So 27 seconds is the answer of this question. Okay, next we go to the another question, that is based on same direction and also opposite direction of the trains, guys. In last video I'm already told you guys, same direction means the length of the speed of two objects is difference, and opposite direction means we will add two objects of speed. So this is the difference between the same and opposite directions of trains crossing each other. And next question was, so next question is, so this is a train of length 350 meters long at a speed 36 kilometer. In this, the given speed is kilometer per hour. We will convert it by using multiply with 5 by 18. We will get the meter per second. So 10 meter per second is the speed. And if it crosses a tunnel 1 minute, it means 60 seconds. If the length of the tunnel, it means, so 350 plus L by, so 10 is equal to crosses 60 seconds. So it means 350 plus tunnel length we will find 600. So L equal to 600 minus 350. So 250 is the tunnel length. Okay. And next question was, given train of length is 250 and platform having the same length, it means 250, and the given train passes 25 seconds, it means time. Then we will find the speed of train. It means 500 by 25. It means 20 seconds. So sorry, 20 meter per second is the answer. But in this given kilometer per hour, it means 20 into 18 by 5. So 4 into 18 is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer of this question. And next we go to the another question, that is, Sabarmati Express take 18 seconds to pass completely through the station 162 long and 15 seconds to another station 120 long. The length of the Sabarmati Express is, it means first station is 162 by 18 and another one is L plus 120 by 15. Here 6 3s are 5 3s are, okay, 5L plus and 6L plus 720. So L equal to, so 90 meters is the Sabarmati Express length. So this is the answer. Okay. And next we will go to the same and opposite direction questions. So a train 350 meter long moving in a speed 20 km per hour, it crosses a man in opposite direction of his speed 1 km. It means train length is 350 and speed is 20 km per hour. We convert it into meter per second. Okay. So 10 to 9. So 50 by 9 meter per second. And crosses a man in opposite direction at the speed of 1 km. Here speed of the man is also, length of the man is also negligible, that's why 350 by opposite direction means its speed of man is 1 km. It means 1 into 5 by 18. Okay. Opposite means 5 by 18 plus 50 by 9. So 18 is the 5 plus 105 is the, so 350 by 20 plus 1 21 in meter per second, 5 by 18 waves. So 7 5s are 7 3s are 5 5 cancel. So 18 means 6. So 60 second is the answer of this question. And next we will go to the another questions. It's another question based on same and opposite directions. Okay. So this is the question. The length of the Lucknow mail is 120 meters, and Punjab Mail was Lucknow Punjab Mail was 80 meters. If two trains are in same direction, it means 120 plus 80, 200. Same direction means 40, 50 minus 40, 10 kilometer per hour. In the form of meter per second, 5 by 18. So 50 into 18. Okay. So 18 into 4, it means 72 seconds is the answer. Okay. And using same values, what will be the time for crossing in opposite direction? It means 120 plus 80, it means 200 by opposite direction. 40 plus 50, 90. In terms of meter per second, 5 into 18. So 2 is a, so 4. So 8 seconds is the answer of this question. Okay. So this is last question, guys. That is, a train passes an electric pole 10 seconds and a platform in 120 long. It means here length of the train we will take L. So crosses electric pole. So length of the electric pole is negligible. That's why we don't add any value to this length, 10 seconds. And platform 120 meter long in 18 seconds. It means L plus 120 meter platform in 18 seconds. So 9 2s are 5 2s are. So 9L equal to 5L minus 5L plus 600. 4L equal to 600. Okay. L equal to 150. So train of length is 150 meters. Okay. This is the question. I hope all are understood this video, guys. So from tomorrow I will upload part 3. So that part 3 about boats and streams. So don't miss it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.